Hey! Ah, shit! Get him! Stop!
Welcome to another brand new episode of Cop Cam Chronicles, where we dive into the craziest police videos you will ever see. We hope our videos can educate everyone enough and show you folks what not to do when encountering police. And today's video, we have these suspects who are brave enough to face officers in the midst of danger. And by danger, we mean guns being pointed at them. Could they survive? Or is this another trip to hell just because of their actions? Just like most of the other videos in our channel, this one also contains sensitive scenes that might be disturbing to some audiences, so viewer discretion is advised. Let's check it out. Now for our first video, Houston PD was assigned to assist the Highway Interdiction Unit for a vehicle involved in a pursuit a few days earlier. The suspect was identified as Robert Johnson. Let's see what happens.
How you doing?
As officers arrive, they locate Johnson immediately and begin interrogating him about the car he's using.
It's my wife. It's my wife car.
Okay. The car ran from us a couple weeks ago, and y'all changed the plates on it, so the car is now ours.
You serious?
Yeah, we're seizing it.
100%. This return is seizing this car.
Belongs to the state now. Go ahead and have your kids step out. We're going to do a quick search of it, and then we're going to have you remove your property, okay? Hold on, man. Hey, don't be removing nothing. Step out of the car for me. No. Hold up.
I'm getting everything.
No, you're not.
You're not! Hey, grab him!
After keeping a close eye on Johnson, he immediately tried to flee from the scene.
Did he shoot you? Do you have a gun?
He grabbed me.
Hey, we need everyone over here now. 9501, I need units code 1. Code 1, my location.
Johnson escaped, for now. Let's see what happens later on in the video.
9501, I need Fox K9, actor on the ground.
Here we can see how the incident unfolds through Sergeant Ham's body cam.
How you doing?
Hi.
Okay. So this car ran from the police a couple weeks ago, so this car is ours.
This is my wife. It's my wife car.
Okay. The car ran from us a couple weeks ago, and y'all changed the plates on it.
We can see here Johnson said this car belongs to his wife, further denying it being used in a pursuit a few days earlier.
Go ahead and have your kids step out. We're going to do a quick search of it, and then we're going to have you remove your property, okay?
Hey! Ah, shit! Get him! Oh.
From this angle, we can see Johnson pinning down Sergeant Ham before running away to what he thought was safety. Let's see what happens.
Did he shoot you? Did he go?
He grabbed me. West side.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Hold on.
Medics quickly responded to check on Sergeant Ham to see if he had any injuries. Luckily, he's okay.
I got the girl in here.
West side.
Are you good?
No, we got shots fired. Get out of here. Marisol, switch over to west side for me. West side dispatch.
Let's see how it all happened through Officer Gonzalez's body cam.
kids step out. We're gonna do a quick search of it, and then we're gonna have you remove your property. Okay?
Hey, grab him!
You got a gun? You alright?
I heard it shot fire.
Come here.
Gun?
He grabbed me.
Where's the boy?
There's no boy.
You okay? Yeah, you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Hold on.
West side.
Arms up. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
West side.
Can we go over there to Chris? Let me move my shit over there.
Marisol, switch over to west side for me.
West side.
Now let's continue looking for Johnson after he tries to escape.
Hey, he's running, John. He's on the ground. Going northbound to the complex.
Northbound. He's coming this way. Careful.
Going northbound. To the northbound.
Alright, he's coming this way, bro. Be careful.
I'm definitely running by the pole. He's going to be northbound. He's not run by the pole.
Hey, get on the ground! Get on the ground!
A few moments later, the officers find Johnson and point their guns at him.
Two officers in the same foot.
Get on the ground now!
Come to a fence line. Jump in the fence to the next complex here to see. Officers, get their footing out.
Hey, get on the ground now! On the ground!
Down to the next complex.
Next complex. Cadillac.
Oh,
Got
northbound. Come around the corner. Watch yourself, officers.
Hey, hold on.
There he is.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground now!
Pushing down.
Get on the ground! Hey,
Officers are on it.
get on the ground! On the ground now!
Luckily, the officer gets a hold on Johnson immediately. He was then put into handcuffs before being taken into custody.
Hey, see that? Hold on. Alright, let's pat him down. Pat him down. Slow. Calm down.
Calm down.
I don't got nothing.
Who's sick? Some little kid don't grab it.
Make sure the waistband on the pants. Hey, watch his blood. Calm down.
Get up.
Hold on.
Get up. Let's take him. Come here.
Come on. 1, 2, 3. Come on, bro.
Use your legs. Use your legs.
Come on.
Can't use your legs no more. Sorry.
Come on.
Johnson is shocked about what's happening, to the point that he can't even put his legs up after being handcuffed, apparently.
Come on.
Can I have? Yeah, you can have my cash, please. The only reason I ran, let me tell you why I ran, sir. Okay? I've been talking to y'all. I got y'all shot. Can y'all? My daughter was in the car. I got shot at. That's the scariest fucking thing ever.
For our second video, deputies with the Outagamie County Sheriff's Office responded to a vehicle crash in the town of Grand Chute. The deputies arrive on scene and see 22-year-old William J. Kill Nelson with a knife in his hand. Let's see what happens.
Stop right there, police! Get down to the ground! Get down to the ground! Stop right there! Listen to me!
The officer orders Nelson to stop, but he seems to ignore this and continues walking.
Get down on the ground! 255. 255. Get down on the ground!
Don't come any closer!
Switch the taser! Switch the taser! Get down on the ground! Do it now! Stand by. Get down!
Nelson is now approaching the officer slowly. The tension continues to rise.
258, shots fired by law enforcement.
Moments later, shots are fired towards Nelson as he tries to avoid it by ducking down.
Do not move!
255, start medical. Alright, we're gonna move.
Switching to lethal.
Yep. We're gonna move
Unfortunately, we have to blur Nelson in this part as it might be too graphic for some audiences.
Got it.
Drop the knife!
The officers slowly approach Nelson in hopes that he won't attack them. It seems like Nelson is unresponsive. Is he dead? Let's find out in a few moments. First, let's see how it all happens through another officer's body cam who is carrying the taser.
Stop right there! Listen to me! Get down on the ground! Back up. Get down on the ground! 255. 255. Get down on the ground!
Don't come any closer!
Switch the taser! Switch the taser!
We can see here Nelson stops at first before slowly approaching the two officers.
Stand by. Get down on the ground! Stop!
258, shots fired.
Before the officer can use his taser, his fellow officer in front of him fires shots at Nelson.
Do not move! Do not move!
255, start medical. Alright, we're gonna move.
Switching to lethal.
Yep. We're gonna move to his, so we can secure his hand. Okay?
Got it.
This is where they slowly approach Nelson after he stayed lifeless on the ground. Could he actually be dead?
Hang on.
Burn lethal.
The other officers are performing medical aid on Nelson.
Starboard and what? What's our 20? Starboard and
255, we're right in front of Flagstone.
Here we can see how it all happened through a surveillance camera nearby.
Get down on the ground! Get down on the ground! Stop right there! Listen to me! Get down on the ground!
back up.
Get down on the ground!
255. 255.
Get down on the ground!
Don't come any closer!
Switch the taser! Switch the taser!
This is where we can see how Nelson charged towards the officers in a crouching manner as if running low to avoid the bullets.
Go! Stop!
258.
Nelson stumbles and lies on the ground after taking 3 gunshots.
Do not move! Do not move!
255, start medical. Alright, we're gonna move.
Switching to lethal.
Yep. We're gonna move to his, so so we can secure his hand. Okay?
Got it.
Drop the knife! Hang on. Hang on.
Nelson was transported to a local hospital afterwards. Unfortunately, he was pronounced dead on arrival.
Burn lethal.
For our final view, we have someone taking a video on their phone from inside their car as they wait for the incident to play out.
Get down to the ground! Stop!
258 shots fired by law enforcement. One subject down.
Do not move! Do not move! 255, start medical. Alright, we're gonna move.
Switch into lethal.
Yep. We're gonna move to his, so we can secure his hand. Okay?
Got it.
Drop the knife! Hang on. Hang on.
For more police interaction videos, subscribe to the channel to stay updated on all of our upcoming videos. Don't forget to ring that bell icon too and get notified as well. See you around next time here at Cop Cam Chronicles.